Hello and welcome. One of the most common questions we hear from businesses considering a new phone system is this: can I keep my existing phone number? The answer is yes. In fact, keeping your existing business phone numbers is one of the easiest parts of moving to a modern cloud-based phone system when the process is managed correctly. Many business owners worry that changing providers means changing phone numbers, disrupting customers, or risking downtime. Fortunately, none of those concerns are necessary when working with Carolina Digital Phone. In this lesson, I'll explain exactly how the number porting process works, how we minimize disruption, and why many businesses discover valuable new features the moment their numbers are transferred. Number porting simply means moving your existing telephone numbers from your current provider to a new provider. Think of it like changing banks while keeping the same account number. The number stays the same. The service behind it changes. Whether your business uses traditional phone lines, a legacy PBX, cable company phone service, another hosted VoIP provider, PRI circuits, or SIP trunks, your telephone numbers can usually be transferred to Carolina Digital Phone. This includes local numbers, toll-free numbers, fax numbers, direct dial numbers, and entire blocks of numbers for larger organizations. Your customers continue calling the same number they've always used. Typically, we need a recent phone bill, your account number, service address, and authorized contact information. Our team handles the paperwork and submits the port request to your current carrier. At this stage, nothing changes. Your existing phone service continues operating exactly as it does today. Your customers won't notice anything. Your employees won't notice anything. Business continues as usual. This is where Carolina Digital Phone differs from many providers. We don't wait until port day to begin preparing your new system. Before the numbers transfer, we fully configure your cloud phone platform. That includes user extensions, auto attendance, call routing, voicemail, mobile applications, ring groups, call queues, business hours, and after-hours schedules. In many cases, employees can begin learning the new system even before the numbers officially move. By the time port day arrives, the new phone system is already built, tested, and ready. The only thing left to move is the phone number itself. When the port is completed, carriers update their routing databases so incoming calls begin reaching the Carolina Digital Phone network instead of the old provider. Most businesses experience little to no interruption. Some calls may begin arriving on the new platform immediately. Others may take a short time to propagate across carrier networks. Our engineers monitor the transition, perform testing, and verify that inbound and outbound calling is functioning correctly. For most customers, the change is so smooth that they hardly notice it happened. The number transfer itself is important, but the real value comes from what happens after the move. Many businesses are surprised by how many capabilities they gain compared to their old phone system. Depending on your needs, you may gain mobile apps for iPhone and Android, remote work capabilities, call recording, voicemail to email, text messaging, video meetings, advanced call routing, auto attendance, call reporting, call center functionality, business continuity and disaster recovery, and AI-powered receptionists and call handling. Features that once required expensive hardware can now be available through the cloud. Your business phone system is no longer tied to a box in a closet or a server room. Instead, it becomes a flexible communications platform that can grow with your organization. Moving your business phone numbers to Carolina Digital Phone is designed to be simple, organized, and low risk. You keep your existing numbers. Your customers continue dialing the same phone numbers they've always known. Your business experiences little to no disruption. And when the process is complete, you gain the benefits of a modern cloud communications platform. Thank you for watching this lesson, and we look forward to helping your business make a smooth transition to the cloud.